I wanna thank God dahil ang hiling ko lang naman sa kanya noon ay mahanap ko yung Facebook mo. Sabi ko ako na bahala after that. Here we are after almost 8 years. Kaya I vow to try my best to make you laugh every day. You inspire me to be better. Ngayon, binigyan mo pa ako ng isang dahilan para maging best version ng sarili ko. I vow to always try to be better para sa inyo ng ating baby at sa mga magiging kapatid niya.
The distance between us will get between us and not to apart, you know. Left in the silence, I leave the night gets hold on through it all, you know. The distance between us will get in between us and not to apart, you know. Left in the silence, I won't leave the night gets hold on through it all, you know. We're finding our way back home.
Thank you for the little things that you do. Like, yung simpleng pagising mo sa madaling araw para lang rin yan yung tubig. Kasi alam mo makukuha ko sa umaga. Sa pagbibigay ng flowers kahit walang okasyon. Just to make me feel love. Sa pagsabi ng maganda ako even on days na pili kong pangit-pangit ko. And many more.
Nangangako ako na patuloy kang pipiliin. I promise to be your faithful husband, your best friend, and your partner in all life's adventures.
Days and the nights spent, hear the birds please love. One breath and it's over. Life on the line says, oh, we're never the same at all. Finding our way back home. Finding our way back home.
Today, I stand before you, promising to be your rock, your safe haven, and your home through the ups and downs of life. I promise to love you unconditionally and offer you my unwavering support in every aspect of life. I promise to cheer you on through every triumph and to hold you close through every challenges.
The distance between us will get in between us and not torn apart, you know. Left in the silence, I won't leave the night gets hold on through it all, you know. We're finding our way back One breath and it's over. Life on the line says, oh, we're never the same at all. Finding our way back home. Oh, we're never the same at all. Finding our way back home. Finding our way back
I vow to love you to the end of my days, to grow and explore life with you in Japan, to make my accomplishments ours and your challenges mine, to love you deeply and honestly as your teammate and your partner.
So my prayer to both of you today is simple. May you always make time for each other. May you always make space for God. And may you never become too busy building a life together that you forget to actually live life together.
I also vow to share my dreams with you. To find someone as special as you out of all the people in the world is the best thing that ever happened to me. So I vow to choose you again and again. Every day for the rest of our lives.
Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian.
Na na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa mo for me. And ngayong bubuo na tayo ng sarili nating pamilya. I know that our lives will never be perfect.
Baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan ang kulay na
Hindi ko higit akalain na dadating na pala yung babae mamahalin ko. Pangakang po. I am not particularly proud of many things in my life. But I am proud to be your husband. You.
madalas na tayong di magkasunduan. Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal ikaw.
Congrats, Lander and
At kung umabot man
Please, always make the time. Congratulations. My best wishes.
ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. At kahit na maghirap tayo, di na magbabago.
I love you so much, Lander.
Ikaw
And I promise to be your home forever. Sana palagi mo yung tatandaan. I know may mga times na nakakainis ako. Kaya musunto na kami ni Little Bear na mangiinis sa'yo. Kaya kumapit ka. Because you're little headache, so that's why.
ikaw
I love you.
lang ang